most intense competition among luxury medium and large sedans is the all-new BMW 7 Series, Audi A8 and Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and today I want to share with you a Japanese luxury sedan with the latest 3.5T twin-turbo engine system. This is the latest model of Lexus LS 500. 2023 Lexus LS 500 Real Shot, replaced with 3.5T engine, competition BMW 7 Series, handsome. It is worth mentioning that this model will also be equipped with the latest refined vehicle interior. The car uses the latest brown interior for the first time in the interior, giving people a very high-end and atmosphere, and also has the latest style. Solid wood decorative panels and the latest style of rear independent air conditioning out of the window. At the same time, this model can also provide the latest style of seat adjustment function, and increase the latest adaptive cruise system and anti-collision warning system. Compared with the appearance and interior of the vehicle, the biggest change in this new medium and large luxury sedan from Lexus is the introduction of a high-power twin-turbo engine for the first time. As a power, this powerful 3.5T the twin-turbocharged engine is a 6-cylinder engine, and the maximum output power will exceed 300 kilowatts, and the maximum output torque will exceed 600 Newton meters. Coupled with the new 10-AT automatic transmission and rear drive system, the whole vehicle is in terms of power output, it can be said that it is not inferior to the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class.